What is unique about My Transfo is that it is mostly focused on transformer oil, and to my experience this is probably the best conference in the world covering transformer oil.
Has been a great this year, and also the other years has been a greater experience, an exciting experience.
Fantastic opportunity to meet a lot of experts on the transformer topics, oil topics, but also all the other topics around transformers.
It's always opportunity to learn from the colleagues, from utilities, from other manufacturers and scientists. Definitely a good place to be.